All right, so we're going to draw a nice picture here. Make sure we plot the points in the right spot, because if we don't get them in the right spot, then we obviously cannot get the complete right answer. We can still get a lot of credit, but we can't get the complete right answer. So -2, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, -1. B, M, N. Okay, so let's come over here and let's write BM. Let's write MN. Let's write NB. All right, so let's draw in our rise and run here on all this stuff. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 2. That's down 8. Okay, so I think actually we already had these exact coordinates on an earlier one, but let's see here. All right, so our slopes. We are going from B to M, we're going up 5, right 3. We're going down 8, right 2. And we're going up 3, left 5. This is going to reduce to -4/1. Again, I didn't need to do that. All right, distances. I'm 5 squared plus 3 squared equals c squared, which is 34. So that's square root of that one is square root of 34. I've got -8 squared plus 2 squared equals c squared. It's 68. And then I've got 3 squared, -5 squared. And that's going to be 34. Okay, so there are my sides. Now this says right triangle. That means perpendicular sides. All right, so that means I'm going to look at the slopes and I'm going to see if I have perpendicular sides. Perpendicular slopes are a fraction flipped over. So if I look, I've got 5/3 and I've got 3/5. Okay, so it's got the beginning part. This fraction is positive because it has no negatives in there. This fraction is negative because it has 1 negative. All right, and that means that it's a negative fraction. If it had 2 negatives, it would be a positive fraction. So the fractions are flipped and the signs are different. That means that these two right here are perpendicular. So I can say this triangle is a right triangle because it has perpendicular sides from the slopes being flipped and opposite side. All right. If you just said perpendicular has perpendicular slopes, I would probably take that. It'd really be a good idea, though, if we could toss in that the slopes are flipped and they're also opposite sides.